If Steam keeps updating your games at the worst possible time, this video is going to help. Today, I'm showing you how to stop Steam game updates as much as possible without wasting time on every single game one by one. Now, to be clear, Steam doesn't really let you disable updates forever in the strictest sense, but there are a couple of very effective settings you can change to stop automatic updates from interrupting you. This is especially useful if you want to save bandwidth, avoid surprise downloads, or keep a game ready to play exactly when you want it. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. The first method is the per game setting, and this is the one I recommend starting with because it gives you control over specific titles. Open Steam and go to your library. Find the game you want to stop updating automatically, then right-click on it and choose Properties. Inside the Properties window, look for the Update section. This is where Steam controls how that game handles new patches and downloads. You'll see an option called Automatic Updates. By default, Steam usually keeps this set to always update in the background, which can be annoying if you're trying to keep the game from changing. Click that drop-down menu and change it to Only update this game when I launch it. What this does is stop Steam from automatically downloading updates in the background right away. Instead, the update will wait until you actually launch the game. That means you stay in control and Steam won't use your internet or storage without warning. Now, if you play a lot of games and want a broader limit across Steam, the next step is even better. Go to your Steam settings, then click Downloads. In this section, Steam gives you some scheduling controls for automatic updates. Look for the option that says Only auto-update games between. Turn that on and then set a time window when you're never online or when it won't bother you. A lot of people choose something like 5 AM to 6 AM because that's the time they're usually asleep or away from the computer. This doesn't completely remove updates, but it makes Steam much less likely to start downloading games while you're actively using the PC. It's a simple workaround that can make a huge difference, especially if you have slower internet or limited data. One helpful tip is to combine both methods. Use the per game setting for the games you care about most, and use the global scheduling option for your overall Steam setup. That way, you're covering both the specific game and the larger update behavior in Steam. Also, remember that if you later launch a game set to update on launch, Steam may still apply the update before letting you play. So if your goal is to delay updates, this is the best practical method, but not a permanent disable button. And that's really the key point here. Steam doesn't offer a true forever disable option, but these settings will stop automatic updates from happening on your terms. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more Steam tips, PC tutorials, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.